everyone, today we're going to have boiled eggs for breakfast. Let's open the fridge. Take the eggs. Pickety, pickety, my black hen. She lays eggs for a gentleman. Sometimes 9 and sometimes 10. Pickety, pickety, my black hen. But we also have to pour water in the saucepan. Okay, let's pour some water. Put it on the stove. Turn on the heat. And put our eggs in the water to boil. And we'll add salt. We'll put lots of salt. Yes, it's here. So that the eggs won't break. We put lots of salt. Yeah, the water should be very salty for eggs not to break. Okay, now we have to wait till they boil. Yes, and then we can eat them. Yeah, we have to wait. Okay, let's turn off the stove. The eggs are ready, and we put them under the cold water. And when they cool down, we can peel them and eat them. Okay, let's take the egg out of the cold water and put it here for a moment. Let's sit in your high chair. And now we need to peel the egg. For this, we bang it first. Bang. Yes, we take out the small pieces. Yeah, and we peel the cracked egg like this. Yeah. Now we don't eat the peels. We throw them into the garbage. Okay. Now you can try it again. Okay. Take it with your hand. Let me take off the peel. Now you try there. No. It's a little bit warm. We can blow. No, it's not hot. It's not hot. Would you like to try? Good. Can you please sit down? I'm going to cut your eggs. And look, there's a yellow part. It's called the yolk. The white and the yolk. Let's try the yolk. It's very yummy. Let's try it. Do you like it? Yummy, yummy. Oh, you like it, my sweet little cake.